Alibaba has once again blown us away with their latest release, Qwen Code 480B A35B Instruct. Just yesterday, we were buzzing about a major upgrade to the Qwen 3 model, a true game-changer in the open-source landscape. But Alibaba, not content with resting on their laurels, just unleashed this beast, their most powerful, open agentic code model to date. What makes Qwen 3 Coder so revolutionary? Well, for starters, it's a mixture of experts model boasting a massive 480 billion parameters with 35 billion active parameters. Think about that for a second. That's an incredible amount of processing power dedicated to code generation. And if that wasn't impressive enough, it natively supports a whopping 256K context window, with extra collation scaling all the way up to an astonishing 1 million tokens. Imagine the complexity of code it can understand and generate with that kind of memory. But numbers are just numbers until you see the performance. And let me tell you, Qwen 3 Coder is achieving top-tier results across multi-agentic coding benchmarks. Not just amongst other open models, but also competing head-to-head with even closed-source models. We're talking verified results on Swaybench, a true testament to its capabilities. And here's something that truly excites me. They're also open-sourcing a command-line tool for agentic coding called Qwen Code. This tool, forked from the Gemini Code CLI, comes packed with custom prompts and a function calling protocol specifically designed to fully unlock the immense potential of Qwen 3 Coder. It integrates seamlessly with popular developer tools, making it incredibly user-friendly. We might just take a deeper dive into Qwen Code in a future upload, so stay tuned for that. As a foundational model, Qwen 3 Coder is built to power agentic coding across the entire digital world, from your local development environment all the way up to large-scale systems. And that's exactly what we're going to be looking at and putting to the test today. Now, as we mentioned right at the start, this model is specifically built for agentic coding. This isn't your go-to for complex math problems or scientific research, it's a coding specialist. But when it comes to coding benchmarks, it is absolutely crushing it, outperforming many established open models like the new Qwen K2. We're seeing it dominate on Terminal Bench, Swaybench, Aider, Spider, all the major benchmarks. Qwen 3 Coder isn't just outcompeting K2, it's also beating out Deep's V3 and even Claude Sonnet 4 on many benchmarks. It even rivals them in many agent capabilities, which is just insane to witness. Just take a look at this incredible demo. A physics-based chimney demolition simulation that was fully generated and coded out by Qwen 3 Coder. This entire physics-driven simulation was created with just a single prompt. Or consider this example, where Qwen 3 Coder, working with Incline, created an amazing animation, multicolor, and interactive dashboard using P5.js. And it did it all in one shot. There are so many other impressive demos showcasing its capabilities, from creating stunning frontends to robust backends, focusing on advanced agentic tool use and so much more. So, how can you get started with this powerhouse? The best part is, you can access it completely for free through their chatbot. Simply select Qwen 3 Coder, and you can start generating incredible code right away. For more advanced users, you can also access it through their API by setting up an account with Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. And for those with the hardware, you can even install it locally or try out a smaller quantized version. Plus, Qwen Code is completely open source and available on GitHub. I'll make sure to leave links to all of these resources in the description below so you can easily get started. Oh, and here's another pro tip. You might even be able to get a free API from OpenRouter, which is expected to deploy Qwen 3 Coder within the next couple of hours, allowing you to access and use it locally for free. Before we jump into our hands-on tests, allow me to quickly introduce today's video sponsor, Zapier. Zapier agents are truly revolutionary. Imagine having AI-powered teammates that effortlessly handle tasks across over 7,000 apps, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. One of my absolute favorite agents right now is their outreach agent. It automatically finds qualified leads from a Notion database, enriches their information with LinkedIn data, and then sends out personalized emails, all without me lifting a single finger. No more tedious copying and pasting or juggling multiple tabs. It handles everything, end to end, and the best part? I didn't code a single thing. I just used a pre-built agent template, and Zapier has an entire catalog of them. Think sales call analysis agents, viral content agents, support ticket handling, all completely plug and play and easily accessible. For me, it's the sheer peace of mind knowing that my calendar is under control, my prep is done, and I didn't even have to lift a finger. That's what Zapier does best. It seamlessly integrates into your workflow until you can't imagine working without it. Want to give it a try? Head over to Zapier's website. The link is in the description below, to build your own AI-powered dream team, totally for free. Alright, back to Qwen Coder. First things first, we're going to have it generate an animated weather card. We're looking to see how well it handles front-end generation for web applications. And specifically, if it can follow our prompt to create the weather card, add animations, and ensure those animations reflect the individual weather conditions. Let's see what it comes up with. And there we go. Incredibly quickly, it generated a simple weather card for San Francisco. And you can clearly see that it accurately depicted the correct animation for each of the different weather types. So, overall, it did a fantastic job here. And something really cool I just noticed is that you can actually deploy and share this as a link, which is pretty neat. So, it definitely passed our first test in generating a simple web app. Next up is my baseline prompt, creating a SaaS landing page that has many features. The reason I always use this prompt is to assess its proficiency in front-end design and its ability to output high-quality UI and UX designs. And just look at that. We're seeing open-source models generating truly excellent front-end designs these days, which is just fantastic. If you were to compare this to designs generated by earlier models, even something like Qwen 2.5, it wouldn't even come close. Just a short while ago, we would have gone absolutely crazy to have an AI model generate a full-on SaaS landing page like this. Now, we're getting such incredible generations from open-source models that we can deploy locally and have them produce such high-quality code. It's truly amazing to see how far we've come. Moving on, we're going to challenge it to generate animated nodes. Here, we're testing its ability to provide proficient visualizations of a web-based animated neural network. We want to see if it can generate it accurately with different animated nodes and connections that showcase pulse and light-up simulations. Essentially, this is where we're testing its multi-language integration capabilities, combining HTML for structure, CSS and JavaScript for styling and logic, and also integrating P5.js for the dynamic visual elements. And boom, it successfully developed this impressive simulation of a neural network visualizer. You can reset the network, start the animation, and even speed it up or slow it down. And it did this remarkably quickly. This is a simple yet powerful showcase of creativity and technical synergy across different languages. It seamlessly combined the logic, the UI, and the artistic elements, delivering this fantastic visualization to me in no time. So, overall, another great job with this generation. Finally, I'm asking it to take my mock data. This is where I'm providing data with various fields like names, last names, emails, and gender. We're testing its ability to build a single-page web application that can parse CSV data from user input and file uploads. We also want to see it dynamically generate multiple charts with different visualizations, like bar charts and line charts, all while showcasing a modular design with an interactive UI. Let's see what it ultimately generates for us. And there it is. Just like that, we have our CSV data visualizer, created in one shot. You can see it successfully created both a bar chart and a comparison chart. It also accurately utilized the sample data I provided, where I asked it to create sample data for car make and car model. It looks like it did a pretty decent job in generating the main dashboard. If you found this video valuable and would like to support the channel, please consider donating through the Super Thanks option below. Or, even better, consider joining our private Discord community. There, you can get access to multiple subscriptions for various AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news, exclusive content, and so much more. Overall, I am incredibly impressed with this new open-source Qwen 3 coder. It is truly exceptional on almost every front. It's a remarkable coder that not only outpaces many other open-source models but also stands strong against formidable models like Claude 4 and even Claude Opus. With that thought, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed today's video and gained some valuable insights. I'll leave all the necessary links in the description below so you can easily get started and explore Qwen 3 coder for yourselves. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, give this video a like, and please, check out our previous videos because there's a ton of content there that you will genuinely benefit from.